Your kindergartner doesn't need more worksheets. They need more wonder. This is the year they decide if learning is something they love or something they dread. And that's why we built Backyard and Beyond, a one-year kindergarten curriculum designed around 20 nature adventures that teach through exploration, not busy work. Inside the kit, you'll find a curriculum book with parent pages, student activities, and field trip guides for every adventure. You'll also find a reusable sticker book and coloring book that bring each place to life at home, a matching game to reinforce what they're learning through play, a tracker to celebrate every adventure, a magnifying glass for up-close discovery, and a backpack to take it all with you. Plus, you don't need to prep for hours. Each unit starts with a parent page that gives you the context you need to explore and learn right alongside your child. Your child spends a few minutes at the table with simple activities like tracing, coloring, and matching. Then you bring what they're learning to life through hands-on projects and dramatic play at home. And then comes the best part, a real field trip to explore what you've been studying together. The field trip page walks you through what to look for, what to talk about, and how to connect the experience back to scripture. One day you're learning about stars at your kitchen table, and a few days later you're lying on a blanket together counting constellations. When you get done, your child adds a sticker to the tracker to mark another adventure complete. The reusable sticker book lets your child create their own version of every place they can explore. They decide what's crawling under the log, who's swimming in the pond, and what the garden looks like in full bloom. And because the stickers peel up and re-stick, they'll come back to these pages over and over again, rearranging, reimagining, playing for hours without a screen in sight. The coloring book follows along with every season and adventure in the curriculum. Pull it out on a rainy day, during quiet time, or any time during the day. It's the kind of quiet activity that reinforces what they're learning without feeling like more school. The matching game reinforces everything your child is discovering in the curriculum. Flip the cards, find the match, and watch your little one light up every time they get one right. It's memory building, vocabulary practice, and quality time wrapped into one simple box. You only get one kindergarten year. 1 year to show them that learning is an adventure and not a chore. 1 year to explore God's creation together before the world gets louder and the schedules get fuller. Backyard and Beyond gives you 20 adventures, a full year of guided discovery, and everything you need to make it happen. Grab your kit and start exploring together.